welcome back to my channel, guys. Okay, so today we are in Portomaso in the marina. It is a little bit windy here, so you might find it a little bit difficult to hear me at times, but this is what happens when you take the operation out into the wilderness. So we're in the marina here in Portomaso. It's an absolutely incredible place. As a matter of fact, I don't live too far from here. I don't come down here enough, actually. I need to come down here more often. Right, so what is this video all about today? Well, every now and again I like to do a video like this. You can call it a motivational video, call it whatever you want, but if you get some kind of value out of this type of video, that's all that matters, right? That's all that matters. So it is absolutely roasting. It's what, the 3rd of November, the 4th of November, wherever it is, it's still roasting. I'm actually sweating. That's how warm it is here. That's why I love living in the south of the Mediterranean. So what are we going to talk about here today? Well, what we're going to talk about is having to constantly evolve in any type of business, but obviously we are talking about the stock market. Okay, so as you'll have heard in a couple of videos ago, I spoke about not scalp trading anymore. Okay, so what am I doing? Okay, well, I'm intraday trading and predominantly futures, so FTSE 100 on the European session, Dow Jones in pre-market, and then obviously US session. But now we've taken it one step further. So 2 weeks ago I actually created a brand new private Telegram group, and it's this one is really concentrated on swing trading. So what are we swing trading? Well, we're swing trading stocks and futures. Okay, the only future that I intend on swinging is the Dow Jones. Okay, with the Dow Jones we're talking about holding positions for anywhere from 2 weeks to 2 months. I mean, so far the longest position that I've held has been for 2 weeks. Okay, but I mean the group was only launched 2 weeks ago. But that is the intention. Literally one future. That's the only future that I intend on swing trading at the moment. This group is really going to focus in on holding stocks. Okay, so the stocks that I'm identifying is I'm looking for stocks that were historically all-time highs. They've had a pullback for multiple reasons. I mean, two of the stocks that I'm trading at the moment, the reason that there's been a significant pullback, 40-50% of the yearly high, is because of the time of the year that we're in. Okay, so I don't want to go into too many details of the actual stocks, because then I'll be giving all the fine detail away. But this is what I'm looking for, guys. I'm looking for stocks that are dipping at a certain time of the year for a specific reason, taking a long position, and some of these stocks I'm going to hold until next summer. Okay, so that'll kind of give you an indication as to what type of stocks that I'm looking for, because in summer this is where these companies actually increase their share price because of what they actually do at that time of the year. Okay, so that's really what I'm focusing on now. I mean, obviously I'm really focused on the intraday trading, FTSE 100, Dow Jones. I'm definitely not going to intraday trade stocks. That is absolutely pointless. I mean, yeah, you can scalp trade stocks, but as you know, I've came away from scalp trading, so now I'm just looking at swing trading stocks. So at the moment there is actually 3 stocks in the portfolio, and it's going to grow. My intention is to add a new stock every week, but as long as that stock falls under a certain criteria. Okay, so I'm not going to go into the details of the criteria because I'll be here for the next hour, but the stocks that I'm picking has to fall under a certain umbrella, a certain criteria. Okay, so what kind of stocks are we looking at? We're looking at low cap stocks, mid cap stocks, and high cap stocks. So what do I mean by that? For those of you that are not familiar with trading stocks, well, you know, a low cap stock can be a stock that sells a share for maybe, say, $10 a share. Okay, a mid cap stock can be something that trades for 40 to 50 euro per share, and then a high cap stock, something like your Teslas, can really go from anything from 100 to 200 to 250 dollars per share for a particular stock. So that's a high cap stock. So I mean, I'm not targeting any specific cap stock. Like I'm not looking to solely focus in on low cap stocks or mid cap stocks or high cap stocks. That's not what this is about. What it's about is identifying stocks that have the potential to hold for up to 6 months or even for a year, and then for them to become profitable. So that's really what's new, you know, in terms of the Sambora trading community. You know, I launched about 6 months ago a private Telegram group for intraday trading. Well, as I said 2 weeks ago, I've launched a group for swing trading. And as I've said before, guys, you know, if you stay stagnant in any business, it doesn't even have to be the business that I'm in, you will literally just fall behind and you'll cease to exist. It's something that you have to do. It's something that you have to become comfortable with, because for so long I was trading a certain type of way, you know, certain criteria. So it did feel a little bit strange having to change things. But you know, I've been around long enough, you know, in life, never mind in business, to be able to recognize the fact that you have to move, you have to change. And all of these things come full circle, right? The things that I've stopped doing, you know, maybe in 6 months time, or a year, or 2 years time, or 3 years time, I'll be back doing them again. You know, it just depends. So it's really important that that you continue to evolve. So that's really, it's kind of an update on what I'm doing. But I suppose the greatest thing that I want you to get from this video is to recognize and understand and identify the fact that you have to continuously evolve. You know, something that has worked in the past might not be working now. So if you continue to do that, how are you going to become successful? It's impossible, right? So you have to evolve. I mean, nobody likes change, right? It's a fact in the human psychology that people do not like change. It's a fact. But again, I've been around long enough now to be able to recognize, understand that you have to change if you want to continue to grow. So that's what I'm doing, guys. So short and sweet, really short and sweet. But I'm really excited about this new venture, guys. The intraday trading, I've been doing it for 5 or 6 months with the private Telegram group. The swing trading, as I said, I only launched it 2 weeks ago, but I'm very excited about it because I'm going back to stocks, which is something that I've done at the start of my journey in this retail trading world. So I'm actually trading some of the stocks that I used to trade 5.5 years ago. So it's strange and exciting to be back trading these same stocks. So watch out if you want to join the Sambora trading community, guys, the winning team. You can email me at eduardosambora@yahoo.com. If you want to join one of my 2 private Telegram groups, you can email me again, or you can send me a message or a DM on my Instagram, sambora.00. I'm off to enjoy the afternoon here in Portomaso. Gonna have some lunch. I've just been to the cigar shop, got a box of cigars. So I'm gonna enjoy the afternoon, and this is what it's about, guys. When you put the work in, I've been 5.5 years in this business, 5.5 years, right? And the last time that I actually done a video from Portomaso, you know, I had the same kind of discussion in the video, you know, I've been doing this for X amount of time. Well, now it's 5.5 years and we're still going strong. See you guys again very soon for more videos. I'm very excited about this new journey in swing trading stocks. See you guys again very soon for more videos.